So fluid logic का inception कब हुआ?
Oh, that has come at very late, is very late rather, but see, from 1988 to 1993, we were quite popular in the local market.
Okay.
Because of my connect with 𝐿𝐴𝐼 and Vickers and other things, I was working as a dealer for 𝐿𝐴𝐼, but at that time there was no concept of distributorship,
right,
or dealership rather. So they will give me the material at good price rather. They know very well that Mr. Lakhani is buying the material for the sales to the local customers rather, but they will support me.
Right.
So both companies were giving me good support on the pricing.
Okay.
We were stocking some of the material, and they have been giving us
that time, of course, deliveries must have been very long.
Yeah, so we were planning,
right,
but definitely they have been supporting us very well on the pricing rather. So support from 𝐿𝐴𝐼 was anyway unanimously high to me, because of my connect with 𝐿𝐴𝐼 as a engineer also, as their employee also.
Right.
And they supported me well.
Okay.
Lot of companies like Escort, Harion or UK came at that time for the manufacturing in India.
Right.
So by 1990 or 89, I was well known in the market that for Gujarat, Mr. Lakhani is the focus.
Right.
So everybody was connecting with me. I was buying the material from them because there was no concept of distribution at that time. So we were just getting the material from either this supplier or this supplier and doing it. Even Dynamatic, I was one of the dealer. For Wipro also, I was one of the dealer. But there was no concept of distribution. Because I was a single point in Ahmedabad to connect with the other small industries.
Right.
Everybody was coming to me. I was buying material from everybody, stocking it and selling to the customer. So the carrier manufacturing, 88 we started. Whatever POPEX we are manufacturing is okay. We were also selling the components together.
Okay.
And then the turnover was increasing.
Right.
So maybe I can say that up to 1990, probably I reached to the turnover of around 6 crore rupees or something like that. And then there was a little game changer rather. 1993, if I recall rightly, Bosch came to India because some of the German companies who are setting up their facilities, manufacturing facilities in India, they told Bosch very clearly that if you are present in India, then only we can continue to really work together.
Okay.
And we would not like to change over or import rather.
Right.
So anyway, Myco was here, so they decided to start a small division of hydraulics in Bangalore. And as usual, again, they came in contact with us.
Okay.
We started buying from them also. And then they see that, yes, the probably knowledge level what we have is much more better than any other hydraulic company in the region rather. So 1993, we signed an official distribution agreement with Bosch for the region.
Right.
And that was the turning point for my life.
And this is still system engineers or fluid logic?
System engineer.
Still
system engineer
only. Okay.
And 1993, after signing the agreement with them as a distributor for the region, we had a lot of good interaction, good training, good knowledge, what is happening worldwide. And by that time, the economy in India was also opening up.
Okay.
So to really get the access to the world market, even the email, fax, everything was possible by that time.
Right.
So access to the world only started during that time.
Barabar.
But Bosch really played a very vital role by giving a very fair and transparent working models.
Okay.
Nothing hidden rather.
Right.
After signing the agreement, they also had an internal discussion within the group that when we are already selling the hydraulics in India, why we should get the power pack from 𝐿𝐴𝐼 or Vickers for our own use rather.
Right.
Because they also were having a very big machine tool manufacturing division.
Okay.
So they decided internally that if we really wanted to show customers that we are solution provider, then we have to have power pack in our plant itself first.
Okay.
As a testimony rather.
Right.
So they started exploring with the distributors that who are
Who
able
can
to
manufacture?
manufacture the power pack.
Okay.
We got the opportunity to really work for the power pack which was required by the Bosch at that time.
Okay.
For their own machines.
Right.
Because we were building the power pack with Bosch components. Distance, Ahmedabad and Bangalore is 1600 kilometers.
Right.
And because still the economy was opening up, it was a seller's market. The manufacturers were not ready to believe that now it is going to be a buyer's market.
Right.
Not the seller's market. Still the price level in the market was very high from the sellers. Deliveries were haywire. No response.
Right.
The experience when you talk about the OEM from the hydraulic manufacturer, they always say that no, we can't go 1600 kilometers away. Who will do the follow-up for delivery? Because every hydraulic company, they were used to chase them for the deliveries.
Right.
And then to convince the management at top level in Bosch at that time, those who are connected with the business, we had only slot of 2 minutes, only 2 minutes, and that also the slot was such that you can't believe it. Head of the hydraulic division gave us the time for 2 minutes, and that time was typically that once I finish my lunch and when I am traveling from canteen back to my office.
On the way you can talk.
On the way you can talk to me. So we took that 2 minutes, and within 2 minutes probably I was lucky guy that I could convince him.
Okay.
But from that day, Maiko stopped thinking in that direction that you need to chase.
Okay.
And we fulfilled our promises and commitment about the deliveries, quality and cost, all the parameters.
Right.
So this was the turning point that they took a decision which was favorable to me. Probably convincing was only, they wanted to see my confidence, nothing more than that rather.
Okay.
But they could put trust on me. Then they started vendor approval process, whatever is the requirement, knowledge sharing sessions, everything was started that this is what is required by us.
Right.
So in the process, I learned a lot from them. And then there was no limit. So I was the youngest supplier in the vendor list who could get the business of more than 1 crore in 1995 from Bosch.
Okay. How old were you then?
At that time, my age was only 40 years.
40 years.
56 to 95.
Right.
40 years. I started business at 25. It was just after 15 years. But from 6 crore, I reached to 10 crore. And now the contribution from the manufacturing has increased considerably because of the order from Bosch.
Right.
And then it was very necessary for me to really have the trading and manufacturing setup separately. So this is how Fluid Logic came in existence.
Okay.
Sometime around 1994.
Okay.
Because within 1 year we could get the order of 1 crore rupees from a company, and everybody was very happy. So one sentence whenever I go to purchase team of Bosch at that time, that we have given the order to you. Now our job is to sleep. Your job is to deliver, but we will sleep because we know you will deliver it.
Right.
That was the concept which is developed. But because the way they worked very transparently with us, the way they have been working with very high ethics, that has changed our entire.
So what was the size of your team at that point of time? How many people were there in your company?
Oh, maybe 30-40 people.
30-40 people were there by then. Okay.
Because There was a big trading division also, manufacturing division also. So all put together 30-40 people. But then we were forced to have a bigger premises because the manufacturing activity increased.
Okay.
A lot of orders were pouring in, and space should not become a constraint. So we shifted to a new premises, and new premises was registered as a fluid logic system.
Okay.
So fluid logic system came into the existence from 1995, and the plant inauguration was done by the then managing director of Bosch itself.
Okay.
Even though we are a very small company, when we requested him, he decided to come. He inaugurated the plant and blessed us.
Right.
And the business was continuing with Bosch until 2025. Today also, we are continuing.
Okay.
Because they have the same comfort level with us.
Right.
On delivery, on flexibility, on the understandings of the requirement.